Texas Roadhouse scoreboard off of turn number 1. You can see their fast qualifier of the Lightning Springs tonight is indeed Mike New laying down in 15.808, 15.808 for former champion Mike New. Mike New right there at car number 16. It's our driver out of Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin, setting the pole tonight for the Ira Lightning Springs. That will conclude our Lightning Springs qualifying version of our program tonight. Again, in all open wheel spectacular, the Methanol Monster 410s, our Lightning Springs, and of course the Brewington Electric wingless sprint cars all in the house tonight. Our Bodycraft of Antioch Wilmot Raceway